Okay, now go help Dad.
Pete! Get it.
Ooh, you are good, Peter. Washing the car. Peter, you gotta wipe more than one spot. Good job. Getting the light there. Yeah.
Good job.
Now, Peter, come over here. Peter, come over here. Get it right here. Look, I can see some dirt. Right here. Get it right there. Clean it off, Peter. Oh. No, like this, Peter. Like this. Look, like this. Dad, see, look. Yeah, wipe it on there. Come on, bud. Good job. Oh. Oh. Did you get sprayed a little bit, bud? Peter, go help Dad. Good job. Uh-oh, pick it up. Pick it up. And all this he's doing with a cup full of cereal.
Hey, Peter, come here.
Okay, try it again, Peter. Come on. Okay, bud. Go hold it, Peter. Go hold it.
Go get the car. Spray the car. Peter, the car. Get the car. Yeah.
Good job.
Buddy. Back and forth.
Good job, Peter. Peter, not the floor. You have to get the car. Get the car. Good job.
Get the car.
Put it on the car, Peter. Oh, good job, Peter.
Buddy.
Oh.